John from Houston Gardens has a question about floor replacements.
Well, his house was built back in 1958, Tom.
Good year.
With the oak flooring and those 1x4 kind of cross pieces underneath. So John writes, the cross pieces are adhered to the slab with tar. And I've torn up the wood portions and left the tar behind. As you can see here, he sent a picture of his handiwork right here for you. Well, now here's the fly in the ointment. He says it's uneven, old, and crystallized and dirty, and hammering, like scraping and melting, is going to take days. He says, I'm 68 years and old and doing this job myself at this point. And he says, I have heard most of the flooring companies won't touch this tar situation, but they'll gladly sell me a new floor once I'm done with the tar. So, Tom, what's your advice for John?
Well, that house has a drop in the slab. It's probably going to be at least 1.5 inches drop in there. And so what you do is you fill that all up to the top level, and you just cover the tar with a mud product like a sandcrete or floor mud and level it all out, and then put your new floor on top of that.
So don't even try taking this out?
Oh, gosh, no. Don't start taking a torch to it either. You're going to kill yourself. Right. The whole place.
Right. Or we'll be seeing you on the news.
Yeah, no. They're going to scrape it as smooth as they can. They're going to fill it, level it all out, and then they're going to put your new floor on there. And we've got a lot of these questions since Harvey lately on this one, because this is very common, and it was done in the 50s. The transition from World War II and the slab to the slabs we use today, they used to drop the floors to give you that old wood floor feel, which we don't do anymore. Now we're putting them right on the slabs.
You got a question? We'd be happy to answer yours. Just send it to us at HomeShowRadio.com. Of course, you see more of our videos over here. More good reasons to subscribe to our channel.